Today we're going to show you how to download the Microsoft Teams desktop software. Go ahead and open a browser and go to CenterNet. And once you get to CenterNet, you want to click on the Office 365 OneDrive button. This will launch you into OneDrive. And so what we want to do is we want to get to Teams. And if you notice the 9-grid box in the upper left corner, this is called your app launcher. And if I click that, I can choose from the list of apps Teams, Microsoft Teams. So I'm going to go ahead and click this. Now we're right now accessing Teams through CenterNet, through a web browser, but we want to download the desktop version because there's more features within the desktop software. To download Teams, if you notice on the bottom left corner, there's this little download arrow button. And if you click that, it's going to download the desktop app. So I would click it, and you can notice in the bottom corner of my screen, it's a Teams, and I'm on my Mac today, so it's downloading the Team desktop. You would go ahead and double click and install that software. Then you'll have the Teams desktop software that will be easier for you when you receive an invite or to set up meeting invitations. For further information, check out our website at ctl.center.edu.